Hey, welcome back to another video of AI Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to download Grammarly report. To download a Grammarly report, follow these steps. This report provides a summary of writing insights, including grammar, clarity, engagement, and other metrics. First of all, open up your preferred web browser and head over to Grammarly. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Open the document you want to analyze or generate a report for. On the right sidebar, you can see Overall Score button. Click on it. A performance panel will appear, displaying an analysis of your document's word count, reading time, readability score, vocabulary, and other insights. Here you can see Download PDF Report button. Click on it. Grammarly will generate a PDF with all your document's performance metric, including a breakdown of issues, overall score, and readability insights. Once downloaded, you can save, print, or share the PDF report as needed. This downloadable report is particularly helpful for tracking writing progress over time or share detailed feedback with others. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and comment down if you have any queries.